welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here at a very amazing, special place, unique experience that you will not forget. You know where I am? I'm at this place which sells and it's a shopping supermarket as well as fresh flowers. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started and see what's there inside. You will understand why I say it's a unique experience. These are fresh from Kodaikanal, so you don't have to go back home in this corona time. You can enjoy the best fruits right here. And this is also from? This is also from Kodaikanal. So I hope you know what this is. What is this actually?
This is palm fruit.
This is called palm fruit. Most of our parents know this, so check out with them. It's very good for the summer because it helps to cool down your body. Hi sir, I see that you are interested in buying this. What is this actually?
This is jamun.
Jamun fruit.
Come from I think India and Pakistan.
Yeah, they have bought it from Kodaikanal, he said.
Yeah.
So, what is the advantage of this fruit?
This I think this reduces the diabetes.
Diabetes.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it is good in taste. That's why.
And it is seasonal, right? So if we need it, we need to come right now and grab these. Thank you so much, sir, for your time. Out. How can you miss out on the good old jackfruit? This is how fresh it is.
No, I understand.
How are you, ma'am? How's everything?
I'm fine.
Why did you come to Amana and not any other regular supermarket?
Because we get here in our Indian groceries. Whatever
Yeah, that's right. So you might have already tried the fresh jamuns at Amana?
Yeah, last week we had it.
That's great.
Very nice.
Thank you so much for the review. Take care. Have fun.
Roses.
Roses from India, I think,
Yes,
right? They
red
are so
roses
small.
Are from India. Yes. It's very beautiful.
Perfect,
also.
perfect. So, do you enjoy shopping here?
Yes, yes.
You come here often?
Yes, we come here.
What is your favorite item here?
Yeah, roses, fruits, everything.
Oh, they're
Thank you
fresh.
so much for bringing all this from India.
Oh, thank you so much. Enjoy. Fresh jamuns for sale. Don't miss out on this. This is the famous star fruit, very popular in India, Sri Lanka and the Southeast Asian countries. If you haven't tried out, what are you waiting for? Come to Amana supermarket. Several varieties of beans, all imported from India. Enjoy your fresh vegetables directly from the farms of India. Banana flowers directly from India. Hi, how are you?
Yeah,
So
fine.
what did you enjoy buying from Amana?
This is I like these fruits.
Okay, what is it called in your place?
This is called tal fruits.
Okay, what is it good for?
Yeah, good for. And this one, you know.
No, is it good for health or
good for health.
it's for taste?
Yeah, no, this is good for health and taste.
That's good.
And this is not good. It's good for diabetics.
For diabetes.
Yeah,
Okay.
blood
So it's
sugar.
not just another tasty fruit, it's good for diabetes.
It is not tasty.
Okay.
But it is good for health.
I see. Okay,
And
okay.
It controls the blood sugar and it controls the diabetes.
This is good information, sir. Thank you so much for shopping at Amana. Come back again. This is a happy shopper with lots and lots of jamuns and the coconut fruit. What do you call that fruit? I forgot, sir. And then lots of flowers, which are lilies from India. Hi, sir. I see you're enjoying shopping at Amana. May I know what is it that brings you to buy these butter beans from here? Are they fresh or you get reminded of home?
Yeah, this is all Indian stuff, so.
Yeah, so you get reminded of your home
Are
back.
you from the store?
Yeah, I'm
Or
from
you doing
this.
some research?
No, I'm from the store, but I'm helping the store so that more people in Oman can understand that you get stuff
The fresh,
directly
yeah.
from India.
Correct.
I'm also super stunned to see so many stuff from India.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
get going and come to Amana Fresh Flower and Vegetable Shop. Fresh coconut ready for sale. Come soon and grab yours. Hi ma'am, so you came to grab some fresh,
Yeah.
what do you call them in your place?
I don't know. We call jam.
Jam, okay,
Yeah.
so this is the jamun what everybody is talking about in
Yes.
Amana, only in Amana.
Yes.
So
You're
what is
from?
it good for?
You're from?
I'm from Kerala, but we call it jamun.
Okay.
We call it Naval Padam also.
Okay.
And you're from?
I'm from Bangalore.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Same here.
Mangalore.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have it in your hometown
Yes,
also.
yes, of
What is it good for, ma'am?
I don't know. The taste is very
The
good.
taste is very good. Somebody else told me it's very good for diabetes, so you
Oh,
can try it for diabetes
Oh,
also.
Sure, definitely.
Enjoy. Take care. It's getting very hot here at Amana Fresh Vegetable Shop. These are chilies directly imported from India and you don't want to miss on them in your cooking. Enjoy! Oh, look at how fresh they are. Don't you really miss your place when you see this, your real hometowns? Some white flowers. I get reminded of weddings when I see so many flowers. Wow. So beautiful to watch. Come here and see for yourself the freshness. It smells amazing in her hands. This is kajal from India for babies. Shingar kajal stick.